And the city of Key Colony Beach is a very special place. It's only about 17 streets, a half mile by a half mile, and it's very resident and visitor friendly. And we all love our city, and most of us still keep our doors open, and we have very little crime due to the fact that we have our own police department.
Uh, Key Colony is so special to me and to everybody that lives here. Very community oriented, a beautiful little city.
He was actually rescued right here in Key Colony Beach. And let me tell you, thank you for the Key Colony Beach residents, the mayor, the police chief. All of these folks have been working together with Dolphin Research Center, along with Florida Fish and Wildlife, to make this one thing happen. Congratulations. I'm excited. We're returning one of our citizens back in the water.
And what I've understood is that this city comes together, whether the residents are here in force with vacation renters, which we have a high population of vacation renters coming to city Key Colony Beach, or everybody's gone for the season and it's the people that are here full time. This community gets together, they band together, they meet in various organizations and committees. If you drive around, walk around, recreation here in Key Colony Beach, you will see the amount of work and level of passion people have about this city. The beautification of this city is bar none, in my opinion. And while the Florida Keys is an exceptional place to come visit and spend your time with your family, coming to Key Colony Beach will give you just an added flair to that experience. We pride ourselves in public service. We pride ourselves in the way this city operates and the way the city runs.